Alright guys, I'm back at this charger with the 3.6. I'm getting ready to replace cam phasers. I can see all the cam phasers down there. Like I say, I'm gonna indulge in some trickery here on this video. I keep getting asked, how do you do it? I want to see the way you do it. I want to see how JT do it. Okay, that's pretty reckless, guys, of me to show myself recklessly doing a job. I mean, I want to maintain my image of integrity, but just so you know, guys, a lot of stuff that text may come off as saying that actually, the way something should be done, a lot of them do not do that. So please be mindful that techs are human too. And the main objective or goal of the tech is to get the job done as quickly as possible. Keep in mind, he's on commission. Okay, so anything that slows him down, it's a no in some people's eye. Okay, me, I can go both ways. I have the luck, I can afford, to make sure something's done right by using the right stuff. So, but and plus, I had a couple of guys that can't get it right even with the tools. So I've showed y'all how to do it with the tools. Now I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna show y'all the wrong way, because keep in mind, guys, it's not really a right way or a wrong way. If your end goal is to make sure it's done right, does it really matter how you got there? Okay, now if you risk a chance of ruining something or damaging something, yes, that is considered. I would consider that the wrong way. Okay, but I plan on not damaging anything. Naturally so, right? Okay, so here's where we at. I got the valve cover. Oh, by the way, guys, let me say this. All right, because a lot of people ask me this. They have a hard time getting the right side valve cover off. It's actually bank 1. All right, guys, I'm sure you all know this by now. For those that have taken one off, the right side or bank 1 has the PCV valve going inside the valve cover. Okay, so naturally you will have to remove the PCV valve. Okay, that's a given and no way around it. Okay, because it slides in here. All right, so all of this is part that sets like that in the cover. All of that is attached to the cover. Now, so even when you take this PCV valve out, 2 screws holding it, guys, T25. Even when you take it out, there's still not a surefire shot of this valve cover coming straight up. Okay, yes, you will have to maneuver it and twist it and finally get it off. Okay, because you're just fighting with the hole. That's all, guys. You're fighting with the hole in this PCV valve apparatus on this look like exhaust cam. Okay, so do not panic because it won't come straight up. You will have to finagle it a little bit to get past it, and then it comes up. All right, so before, I'm just gonna set the camera down and go with it, guys, because I consider this, well, it's not really reckless. Like I say, it's another way. It's my way. So I'm not gonna narrate through this. I'm just gonna park the camera down and just go with it. But before I do anything, guys, keep in mind, I've been paid to just do the phasers, okay? But that would be irresponsible of me to not check the lash adjuster, the rock arms, okay? Perform my JT field test. I'm gonna put a card to a video right here where I talk about the field test, okay? Feel, F-E-E-L. What I'm doing is feeling for the potential of a broken rock arm. It's nothing like getting done with this car, putting it all back together, and you hear a tick. So if I find one, I'm going to address it right now while I have the valve cover off. Okay. Also keep in mind, you will fail. There's a bad timing to do the JT field test if the cam lobe, this is the lobe, if the cam lobe is sitting on top of the rocker. Okay, you cannot. That would be a bad reading. All right, because if you have that lobe compressed down on the rocker, yes, you shouldn't feel it for looseness at that point. All right, so you will need to rotate the crankshaft in order to bring the cam off of the lobe. Don't turn it by the cams. Do not rotate the engine using the cam. Use the crankshaft pulley. All right, so I'm gonna feel them all, and then I'm gonna rotate the engine a little. I have to rotate it anyway, because remember, guys, we got to bring timing up the top dead center. All right, and from there, I'm gonna do my test, my field test. If they're all good, I will proceed. If not, I'm gonna take the cam off and put a new rock arm in that broken one, if there is any. From there, I'm gonna park the camera probably right here on my little tripod thingy, and I will proceed with replacing intake and exhaust cam phasers on bank 1. Okay. Now, like I say, on bank 2, you're gonna be forced to use some type of tool, just so you can bring the guide off of the chain, because you got to create some slack. But this one is fairly simple. So like I said, I had 2 or 3 guys getting beat up on bank 1. Okay, yes, that's the easiest one. In fact, you don't. Okay, I don't want to sound reckless again, but guys, all right, here it goes, because I'm gonna set the camera down and go for it. So I will not narrate. In fact, after I remove the 2 cam phasers, I will install them and then shut the video down completely, so you may not hear from me again. So with that being known and said, I will do my outro right now. All right, that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Oh, remember, mark these. So I'm gonna get my marker. Always mark the time after you bring it up top dead center. I gotta rotate it anyway to check my rock arms. All right, and from there, it's Cam Phaser City. All right, they sitting down here ready to go, waiting on me. All right, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.